Hi. Up until now, the data that we've been importing into ArcGIS has been in the form of pre-existing map layers. We are now going to load data in a more elemental form, a comma-delimited file with a series of field observations, each with a corresponding longitude and latitude. Since this is a new project, if you haven't already done so, save and close any work that you've done previously. Then, open a new instance of ArcGIS Pro. As you've done in the past, click on the Map icon to create a new project. Then, assign a name to your project. I'm going with Field Data, where the words Field and Data are separated by an underscore. And then indicate the directory in which you wish to keep your project. Click on OK. Select the Insert tab at the top of your screen and click on the Add Folder to establish a connection to the directory containing your data file. In the Catalog window on the right side of your screen, expand Folders to confirm the connection. To load the data file, start by selecting the Map tab at the top of the screen. In the ribbon, click on the drop-down menu below the Add Data icon and select XY Point Data. A geoprocessing window will appear superimposed on the catalog window on the right side of the screen. For the Input Table field, navigate to the file containing your data. For the Output Feature class, navigate to the File Geodatabase for your project, which you can find in your project directory, and assign a name to this data. In this example, I'm going with field_data. Click on Save. Returning to the geoprocessing window, you may wonder what ArcGIS Pro means by X and Y. These correspond, respectively, to longitude and latitude. We can see that ArcGIS Pro has made an educated guess, correctly as it turns out, of which fields in the data file contain the longitude and latitude. If it had guessed wrong, you could just use the drop-down menus to select the correct fields. We do not have data relating to elevations, so you can leave Z field blank. The default coordinate system, GCS WGS 1984, is also fine. However, if you wish to use some other coordinate system, ArcGIS Pro offers many options, as well as a search box for quickly finding any particular one. Let's go ahead and click on Run at the bottom of the geoprocessing window. You will see that your newly imported data now appears in both the Contents window and on the map. In the next video, I will explain how to reduce the data set for your project.